Welcome to North Florida Catfishing. Spring's about another week or so away, and tonight we're here at Sneads Park using cut mullet. This is the second fish I've got. The first one's probably around 8 pounds. There's a lot of grass got to fight through, but we're catching them. Slow though, for sure. But man, if this water goes down the river, I'll catch you some bait. Man, we'll get some more videos going. Hopefully the squid video will be coming in soon. He's got something on video. It's been a while.
You're over your line.
Over that one?
Over this one.
Second one of the night. This was smaller than the first one. First one probably 8 pounds. Two good eaters.
Oh yeah, it's completely off.
Look at Jeffrey getting jealous. Had to go run and put his bait out. Oh, Jeffrey, what happened to it? That's a good one. How long you been here?
5 minutes, honestly. Well,
5 minutes, the second
maybe
fish.
10. Maybe 10 minutes. This was the first bait I threw out. 2 on.
Same rod, right?
Same rod, yep.
There's Sneads Park with mullet and livers. He's been here 10 minutes. We just pulled up. He's already got 2 fish on. So there's some big girls out here somewhere. That's a good one.
Not too bad.
Good eater.
Too heavy.
Damn Yankees, man. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
You got it.
Yeah, you got that one. Huh? Another good channel cat. Got 2 hooks in him.
Yep. Only person that can catch some fish today. At least someone's getting them. That's all that matters. There you go.
Teach the rookies your secrets. They take every fish for the day.
See? They're all going in my cooler
Hey,
anyway.
I told you we should try the livers. It was,
Don't be telling our bait on down
I
camera
mean,
now.
not livers, not livers. Don't listen to what I said. Others from
He uses left testicle from a pygmy goat. That's what he's using. They got a little live well right there. You see it? A little live well right there.
I know,
Right here.
Building a live well by the wall. A hole. Decent channel.
They're
Good,
in New York
good
for
fillet
guys.
size.
Yep. That's a New York cat.
On there?
Yeah.
that net up there. Well, something's on there. Hold his head up high. There's a lot of grass over there. It might be a good one. I got a lot of grass around here too.
Yeah,
Though.
he's just stuck in the grass, but he's coming free.
Yeah, he's coming.
It's only 3 foot deep here. We're gonna need you to jump in after, depending on how big it is.
Alright, the angle of it, still got a little bit to learn.
Noobs don't get the net.
On there, right? Might be a decent one.
This one is gonna dip. Oh my God, I dropped.
I lost the whole net, damn it.
Hey, while you down there getting the fish, I need you to grab that.
Oh, there was a bit of a head shake.
Might be a decent one. That's decent. That's another mudfish. Holy gee.
That's a carp or a
No, that's a mudfish. That's a huge one.
mudfish?
No, that's a.
I've never had that before.
That's a good one too.
Really? Look at that tail. Is it blood?
No, that's how their tails are.
Let's get him back so we can. We got catch and release.
Yeah, y'all know. We're here at Sneads Park tonight fishing. Catching a few catfish. Bryan caught a few of them right before dark. Using livers, and these right here. Mossy Head Bait Company. Sent us to us some chicken. A little bit of mullet guts. Alright.
Strings. Let me see what I'm working with.
You just walk over that one. You gotta walk over this one.
And now really straight in.
Shine it down them strings so I can see what I'm working with.
Straight in. I gotta grab the net.
You gotta just stay right where you're at and fight him in.
Oh, that's a big one.
We're at Spillway tonight.
Nope, I'm on line. I'm dragging line. Yo, someone grab that spotlight from him. You're on what line? I'm dragging someone's line out there.
You're probably dragging all that down grass.
Nope, I'm on the
Now
other
walk
side.
over mine, walk over mine.
I'm on the other side of it.
Here, see where he's at on that.
Dude, give me that spotlight real quick. Shine it down my line like that. Here, hold it. There you go.
Turn my thing down. Good one. Ooh, Bryan.
He jumped. Alright, grab the net.
You just set that down.
I wonder if it's rubbing on the bell.
Here, let Jeff take it off for you.
Here, just get the fish. Grab the fish, that's good.
Ooh, Bryan. That's your PB?
I don't know yet. Let's get him in first.
Woo!
Got him?
Got him. That's a good one.
Yeah, that's probably.
He got some torque, don't he?
Damn.
Let me turn this right up so I can get a good picture. That's a PB. You got to shoulder that one.
Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to, huh?
Mm-hmm. Gonna hug him like a baby.
Watch them fins.
Look up at it. I know it's gonna be a bright light, but I'm gonna get a few good pictures.
That's
The
it.
brighter light, the better the
That's
picture.
definitely the personal best right there. Got him good.
There you go. Hey, look at the camera and say North Florida catfishing.
We're for the catfishing right there, boy.
There you go. I know. Shine the line. Shine down the line.
Straight down it. Come on, I'm not up there.
You're across it, not down.
I feel like I really am. I don't know.
No, you're on. You're on.
I know I'm on, but I feel.
Oh yeah, you are crossing. See? You want me to reel this guy in?
It's just vibrating.
Oh, we almost had another
Got a
couple.
spillway tonight. They're getting bites. I'm not. Tell me right when he gets by the wall.
Oh, I had a net man over here. One of the first one in about 6 months.
I know, right? What it feels like. Bryan with number 2. Number 2, buckle my shoe. Shining down the line, Bryan, down the line. Down the line, Bryan. Shining down the line.